Here it is Sunday, and on Sundays we don't do sawmill work, so we're going to work on the kayak trailer. We've been working on this kayak trailer for, off and on, more than a year. And we've added a top row to it. We have 7 kayaks now. There's a slot for the 8th one, and I'm sure Linda will race up and buy another kayak just to fill it. Today's project are these lights right here. I like where they're at. They're up high, and so the traffic behind you can see them real well. The unfortunate thing is they stick out, and you can hook your face on it, and then everybody will call you Scarface. So we're going to cut those off, and we're going to add these. These are LED lights, stop, tail, turn. Fancy little circuit board behind it. Supposed to be bright. We'll see. Going to mount them vertically right there on that shaft. Hopefully they don't get boogered up. And we're going to reroute the wiring. Not real thrilled how we have the wiring now. Runs in this tube down there at the bottom, but it has to snake around and out, and kind of dorky on the tongue like that. Plus the rocks are hitting it right there, so try to figure something out. So off we go. I got the lights off. Take our little light here, put it up on our tube. We'll see. Making progress. That's last weekend's project right there. We were having problems with the sun wrecking our bungees. We had rubber straps, and we just hooked them into the back of the boat, and that kept it tight, but the sun was degrading the straps. So we hooked this on, and it's kind of tough to look through the camera lens and do that. And I'm not left-handed. Wow. All of a sudden it became a challenge. Had to conquer it. Well, we're making progress on the lights. And when we ordered the lights, I knew it was going to be a pinch wider than the pipe. The pipe is 1 inch, and this is about 1 3/8 inches. So what I'm concerned about, and I don't know if you can see that or not, but anyway, you can see the circuit board. So we're going to have to make an aluminum shield and tuck it in between the pipe and the plastic light, just to protect it from the flying debris. But we got to grommet in there and got her all screwed down. Had to tap it. Over here you can see the hole that we had to make. Had to make an elongated hole for the wiring that comes off the light. About over here in my messy little wood shop, I have this expensive $8,000 workbench. We didn't think a sawmill guy would be a metal worker, but here we are. We're working some aluminum today. You can see why we had to make the slot. Anyway, there it is. Good, drill a couple holes. We'll be ready to go. New set of cutters. First time we've ever had a straight right and a left. It's pretty nifty. We've always tried to cut round corners with straights. Didn't like that. Alright, got the lights on. Got the aluminum guard in place. Little connectors are on. The green stuff is liquid electrical tape. It's fresh on there now, so I don't have all the wires secured yet. I leave the bottom open. That way if we do get some moisture in there, it'll drain out. Should be pretty neat. Still got to mount the license plate. License plate used to hang on the underneath the light on this side. And we rerouted the power. Came out of grommet there, in there, and goes down the tongue now and out. I'll have to do something about that. Next, roll it outside and hook it to the car and set up the wire. But no face gougers anymore. Pretty nice. There's a trailer outside. We'll go out and take a look at our lights. And we're shooting right into the sun. Tail and brake lights. Not so bad.